Hello everyone, my name is Mustafa Al-Khazraji and today I will show you guys the Toffee dessert, which is a recipe from my home country Iraq. The first step is to prepare 1 cup of sugar and 350 ml of water and ignite the stove and pour the sugar and water in a small pot. The third step of the recipe is to stir the solution to allow as much of the sugar as possible to dissolve. Step 4 is to let the solution heat up and boil for around 5 minutes to allow the mixture to be homogenized. After the solution boils for a few minutes, turn off the heat and carry the pot into a different area to allow it to cool down.
Now we will measure the dry ingredients. We will measure 1 cup of powdered milk. As you guys can see, I was running out of that, so I only measured 3/4 of a cup. I also measured 1 cup of flour and then mixed both ingredients in a bowl. To alter this recipe and increase the flavor, you can add more powdered milk than flour. For example, 3.5 cups of powdered milk to 1 cup of flour. Next, we measure 1.5 cup of oil. You can decrease that amount to 1/3 if you want. And then we pour the oil in a saucepan and let it heat up. Once you heated up the oil for a few minutes, we can add the dry ingredients. In this step, we start mixing and stirring. It's very important to keep the heat at a medium or a low range to allow the mixture to brown so that we can lose the floury flavor, but we don't burn the recipe. Once we achieve the brown color that we want, we can go ahead and add the sugar solution that we made in the beginning to the mixture and start mixing very well. Once we mixed for a few minutes, we can go ahead and turn off the heat and pour the dessert in a dish. I hope you guys liked the video. Thank you very much for watching it and have a lovely day.